At Grading and Gravel Driveway Company, we transform damaged, uneven driveways into smooth, durable, and professional gravel surfaces built to last. Based in Columbia, South Carolina, our team uses professional grading equipment, premium quality gravel, and proper drainage techniques to deliver results that not only look great but also stand up to everyday use and harsh weather. From repairing potholes and muddy driveways to complete new gravel driveway installations, we handle every project with precision and care. If you want a clean, reliable, and long-lasting driveway for your home or property, trust the local professionals at Grading and Gravel Driveway Co. Call us today and let us bring your driveway back to life.